Hello, Year 10. Welcome to our assembly for this week. So we'll get started. These are just some simple steps to a balanced digital diet and better well-being. Are you getting your 5 a day? So you're being mindful. Are you connecting with others? Are you being active? Are you getting creative? And are you giving to others? Finding the right digital balance means enjoying all the fun, exciting and creative things about being online while making sure that we are caught doing the same things all the time. Connecting, making a call to a friend or a family member, obviously with parental consent. Remember that it's important to stay connected offline too. Often it is helpful to speak to someone you trust in person when you feel under pressure or worried about things. Being active. Take some time off and get active. Movement helps to boost emotional well-being. You don't have to be an athlete or a football star to be active. Find the thing that you enjoy the most, like swimming, walking, dancing or yoga, and start at the level that works for you. Do it regularly and you will soon level up. Getting creative. Don't just browse the internet, but use digital tools to create content, to build new skills and discover new passions. Whatever you love, you can find out how to do it online. But why not take it offline too? Use these skills to make that cake, fix that bike, or learn that dance. Giving to others. Be positive online. Report bad content and help others to balance their own 5 a day. You could do this by posting positive messages or by taking time to listen to your friends and family. Sometimes putting your phone down and spending time with them offline is a really good way to give to others too. Being mindful. This means paying attention to how something makes us feel. If keeping up with notifications is making you feel stressed, if you're anxious about getting enough likes, or if being online is making you tired, recognize those feelings and take a break. Learn what worries you. Speak to people you can trust and ask for help when you feel you need it. Managing your digital well-being is not something you have to do alone. Staying safe. The most important ingredient in well-being is staying safe. To make sure that you can get the best from your digital diet, you must know how to stay safe online. Do you trust the site, the app that you're using? Is it the best place for you and people your age to be? Do you know the people you are connected with? Do you know how to manage? You can see your posts and who can contact you. Do you know how to switch off notifications, location, and your camera? Do you know how to block people and report worries? If you have any questions about staying safe or you want any help, speak with an adult you can trust or a member of staff at school. Take care, guys.